and my family this in a straight out of Lucea. How long you have gray hair in the blood, man?
Before Shaka ban.
Shaka 40.
40 how much now?
Enough. 42.
42, alright.
So we want to see what go on.
Yeah.
Boss, I go let go in here, you know.
I'm going to natty now.
Let down in natty. Oh God. Alright, so what I'm playing you? All around you? Alright. Just down the road and come back. Shows you, so just watch it to the end. Remember to like, share and subscribe. At the clock in the center of the town. See Lucy clock there.
Blessed is the nation whose God is the Lord. Father, it was you who made Jamaica. It was you who have brought us to emancipation and independence. It was you, Father, who have caused us to pray these words. Eternal Father, bless our land. Guide us with thy
Fire brigade. Station.
Jamaica before you. Apparently, there are some solutions that human wisdom or intellect or creativity.
Oh, that's nice if me catch the band there. What a
This is our Methodist church.
old. Wow. What bell there? They still ring the bell? Wow. So what the bell indicates?
Lunchtime or support.
Ah. They have performance, band performance in the town. Yes.
Remember here it's announced.
One thing in Jamaica, you gotta have a lot of churches. Church down this.
But if you check to daylight on the history, is that Jamaica has the most church.
Yep, per square mile. We know the world record.
Look at it now, later can come up, they take me. Look at it now, to say why we have so many churches and look on our crime rate.
Yes.
You understand? It is a shame.
It's not the righteousness, we're just religious. We talk about God, but we not live righteous. Wicked same way. Wicked and bad man and grudgeful. We not show love and respect to each other. As a country with the most churches, we should be such a happy, beautiful, peaceful country. Yeah. It's supposed to be peaceful, man. back around at the supermarkets? Or just all the way around?
We're going back down to the supermarket.
Okay.
You can just drive this way and go back home now. So
Yeah, because one way we just have to drive this way. Yeah.
RDA. This is the only RDA open on Sundays.
What's a small gas station?
Fresh fat machine and everything.
Two little pump.
This town mostly full of supermarket and haberdashers.
Ah,
Friends are haberdasher and pay Chinese.
pay Chinese.
Yeah. Alright.
Chinese them everywhere.
That we just come out of.
Chinese own.
This is this one.
Oh.
And there's one out by course if we have the time we go out on the sea while we have a next building out there when rent out. He's like one of the richest Chinese.
Okay.
His sister in drugs and they were in charge for a couple years. So the family basically they benefit from the family. Okay. So they do make use of it. They invest a lot.
Oh, them the cooking right here, so. Oh, this look like say a pudding them a bake, so. Me see the. Oh, me think I cold up on top, you know. And breadfruit and me I tell you, if I did ever pudding, I pass and see the coal on top. Me think I cold, me see on top of the pot cover. So me I say, wait, let me come see what kind of pudding I go on here, so, but I no pudding. No, me think say a pudding, so me da come buy pudding and what go on the pot there. What cook? Eh?
Pork in a pot there.
Pork and and roast.
Cow food.
And
What the pot things they cook here below?
when we are going to do something that we see. Chicken, cow food, pork, everything ready?
Yes, no, everything already. Yeah.
Not ready yet. We probably will pass back.
Yeah, man, we have one pot.
Alright then.
Yeah.
Here him now, our picture you come to take. Me swear say they putting for true because I think say cold up on top of the. Oh, look a pharmacy. Oh. I know, you know, so no matter what our market like, you gonna have people where you can still get your fresh stuff, your fresh produce, your vegetables and so. Did you say we don't have line too?
No, over there representative will be on the street side, anything much.
Oh, everything one thing up here, but them not easy. At least you have Bill Express and Western Union right here, so that's not too bad. Doctor's office, restaurant.
I think it's, what do you mean when you say up tomorrow or whatever, upstairs, the I place upstairs.
Walking in the town of Lucea. Very historical place, but you see, a lot of the history is being forgotten these days. So I'm going to show. Never knows though.
They try with me.
Palmod pizza and chicken. Okay, so this is like a local shopping mall.
A little arcade.
I walk on the other side and I come back. Oh, we walk round.
We'll go back straight.
So let me catch this then. Today Sunday busy though. So I don't know. Close. Oh, colorful. And police station. Reliable. Yeah.
Every little thing you get inside here.
Make a shop that's Harbor Dash. Scotia Bank. Is it bank that or just ATM?
Just ATM, the bank move and gone down in April, so we don't have a Scotia Bank in Jamaica. Don't stay anymore.
Oh my.
But I think there are no.
So people never need the bank. When I move the bank and
Everything that they move
go
on
down, go along on the grill.
JPS, we usually have a JPS office here, not anymore. It's after the big one to go pay if we need to go to
Jesus,
office.
peace.
Yeah, so they take time moving out everything because when the severity business not fast enough, then move it out to the next nearest.
Over there is a nice.
Yeah.
What is it?
Over here says the parish
Church. Oh, but you still have tax office.
Yes,
And you have Ministry of Social
so
Labor.
the NIS is the same place where Scotia used to be, right over there, sir.
Okay.
They have the NIS now, also over there, so.
One get a proper,
cross.
yes, a proper thing of the building. Oh, the police officers having a ceremony.
Yeah.
JCDC. So that's Hanover Municipal Corporation. Okay, this is the building where the bank
Scotia used
was.
to be, right, so they have Scotia.
NIS there. Why me feel like they must say NIS, people need NIS more than Scotia. It's a JN down there, so JN Bank still there.
Yes.
Okay.
We have a little Armand spot in here, so we have a little funeral home further around and there, so. Hope you walk around for the back road.
Oh God, my Father, there is no
What a man voice powerful. One thing them keep the town clean. Try.
Equal. What, mama?
Yeah.
When I'm blood look spooky that I know. When I'm blood look spooky that. Where you see me just can't.
Hot girl.
And then the young something come from.
Hi. Why? Now pink ear.
And they had put them on.
Aha. Look at that beauty. Oh my word. Jesus.
Just to go, yeah.
Wow. We can get a little touch.
Of course, no problem.
I'm a Familina. Thank you. It's so soft and nice. Beautiful. Look at the colors in there. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Yeah, man. So this is Blood Man, my family, you know. Straight out of Lucea.
The herb man.
The herb man. You see the coffee?
Yeah.
He is the one who sells these authentic, strong coffee straight from the grill. So what kind of herb and say you sell?
Okay. We sell herb for all purpose. Anything at all, any sickness.
Any sickness.
Yeah. Neem, moringa, sarsaparilla, strong back, yeah, chini root.
I may get the which one
Vervine.
you give me? The sulfur bitters.
Yeah.
That good for clean out your inside.
Yeah, one just make, yeah.
Yeah. And you make them from scratch. See beard there? Yo.
Anybody can get pregnant. We can deal with that.
Alright. Original, yeah man.
Enough God fit me have. I'm a godfather for enough children, you know? Yeah. Come me make them born, you know? Yeah, because mama can't have no baby.
Wow.
So when baby come, you understand?
When baby come,
yeah, then call me godfather.
You're the godfather.
Yeah.
See back there? Yeah man, I boss, you know? Yeah man, original herbal man. Okay. So when rainfall is full up, a lot of pressure upon people. What, especially when you come on to Christianity. They are building their whole, you know, British.
They're still working, and I think here, so it's a feed farm.
Okay, still in operation. Yeah man, and put undue pressure upon people, like when unnecessary. You see, us church in Australia, they wear shorts and t-shirts. All the parts of them dress casual. Nobody not stress nobody. If you want to dress up, you dress up.
But I noticed with the American too, it's the same thing.
Some people dress up, you know. So it's up to you.
Yeah, yeah.
But yes, this is a sad one catch. Oh, them undestructive, so who go spray sitting on the side? Child. I saw me a video, I know a video.
Tomorrow? You're down here for tomorrow?
No, sir. This evening, I go for Kemisha mobile. I forgot to make a nice plan and come back and spend all a week. Come and tell you, I never plan, me just go
to the kids.
To me, I come from here for Kemisha, yes. Just said, show ya man. Sometimes you have to just jump and do something in a car. It's very free.
Because more when you're planning to go work out.
Yeah. Oh, so the bus park this way.
It used to be over here and then go with out.
Oh, transport center. I just said, sorry for not giving you a little piece of Burger King. It's small, you want a little shop, one little container.
There's a family home there, I think about almost a year now since you've never been inside.
Not even one nice building, one container. Sorry, they're really sorry for no. Okay, Burger King, they're sorry. Wow. Where?
You go run to the seaside, you get your fresh
Oh.
seafood. What then just come in, you just go get your fish.
Nice.
Situations.
Oh, so this is a big place, shop, supermarket, everything in a one. Oi. I hope the local people them get them here from. Well, like Chinese can't make them here. Okay, local people then get them from. Support the local man them. One thing a baby food. Picnic cheap. And some hot. Exclusively from Hanover, Lucea. This brand.
The brand? Yeah.
Exclusively Lucea brand.
The Negril.
Negril. Ah, Negril.
Negril is better name too, you know?
Negril brand is 100% fair trade. Blue Mountain.
The best coffee in Jamaica, that's what the P-mode, yeah. Number one.
Blue Mountain coffee is best in the world, you know? 80% of the coffee go Japan, you know?
Yeah.
Mm. Yeah, man. So how much feel like a package like this?
It's only 25.
25?
US and 25.
Ah, $25. Yeah, man. Can't lose. You can't be disappointed. Best.
No, you can't do that. You can't show them.
Bike taxi we are waiting for, you know. Why? Now I go far, man. Just I go down the road and come back. I go where I go on the taxi now. So climb up it. How you gonna? You just hold on. No, no far, man. Just go down the road. Wait, hold on, wait there. Hold on. Watch your goat. Watch him, Batty. What you do up there? Go on, man. We are going to curry you for Christmas here. Yo. Bike taxi are the best thing, you know, because we're on the patrol them. back safe and sound, man. That was an adventure. Ooh. Why you get to... We're enjoying ourselves on, what is this beach called?
I don't know. I've never been here.
I saw a sign outside.
Bull Bay.
Bull Bay Beach. Bull Bay Beach. And this was made by my cousin's friend. You see how Jamaicans talented? Wow. Sexy. Still trying to catch fishes. I don't think that's the way we should do it. It's not working. Yes, the sun is going down. Good.
I'm going to catch you on.
Almost. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think if you keep at it, you'll eventually catch. Catch. Wow, see it there. So Jamaica, on holidays, it's beach day. Time to enjoy with your family. It's not work. Power drop off. You probably better off taking it off. I don't really want to wet up my ear like that because I braids, you know, say braids hard to dry.
I want to swim to you.
Yeah, I'm gonna come now.
I don't see another chips in there. I don't know if I'm on the Barracks. Come, Barry, come here, baby. Come.
washed away. Oh my God. Oh no. This is known as a chocolate house. Woo. Very rich property in Lucea, Hanover. Of course, it's an Airbnb. Has pool. Conquest. Ooh, wow, 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 wow. Chocolate house. Wow. And this is on South Avenue. You can see the sign. So peaceful. Very peaceful around here. The road bad though. Chocolate house.
Tomorrow, jerk chicken, we have done tomorrow, and grilled fish. Roast fish. That's all. That's not cabbage, I use. Yeah, I told cabbage is cabbage ain't raw. The color most time kind of sauté sometimes.
You have to take care of the locks because it's so beautiful. Look at
Shampoo.
this. Look at this.
Yeah.
Shampoo.
Yeah. And olive oil.
Olive oil.
Yeah.
Wow.
And Egyptian musk.
Egyptian musk.
Yeah. So, yeah.
And
Egyptian
weed oil.
musk oil and weed oil. Yeah.
Yes,
So use them.
all of what you mentioned, people can get that from you if
Yeah.
they want.
Mm-hmm. And if you can grow, if you have a herb name Bantana.
Bantana, you have the herb there
No,
too?
you know out here in America.
Oh.
Dr. Phoebe have that.
Okay.
Everybody here can grow. If you eat even bad, it grow back.
It grow back.
Yeah.
Wow. Bantana. Hey man, thank you. Give me a phone number so if anybody want to contact you.
863
863
82
82
61.
61. Yeah man, I eat that. Thank you. If you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. If you're determined to learn, no one can stop you. That is right. Hey, we are at Rusea's. We call it Rusea's in town, but in Hanover they call it Rusea or Rusea's High School. Founded 1777. Woo! Oh my gosh, history. Wow, Merlin Ate, CD, past student. She's a past student of Rusea. See the old buildings? Sorry, said lock. There's security there. We can't go in.
No sweats, no.
You know, lock, you know?
No money close, man.
Oh, padlock the pony.
Tank tops. No exposed underwear, okay. That's enough.
Oh, that makes sense.
In America, you can just wear whatever you want. But some schools, you still
Do
have
you
a
think
dress
that's a
code.
better thing than having restrictions?
Well, some of them don't have restrictions. Like,
But what do you think? Do you think it's better to have restrictions or you can just do whatever you want?
yeah, restrictions are better.
Yeah. Thank you. And Mo said this is history, right? This school.
Imagine coming here at night. Hold on, isn't that the compound from one of my dreams?
Yeah, right now. Tell us it's being made up as we go.
Hold on, that's not it. Alright, this stuff is is just
Over here so used to be our woodwork.
You used to come here?
School. Yeah.
Oh.
Usually be our woodwork. Down here so usually be our 7th grade block. So we do all our woodwork and so forth. I believe here so it was the male bathroom at the time.
Still seems like it's the male bathroom.
Really so much.
You see how they used to make these buildings quite short? I think like back in the day people were not so big. Look how short that is. Oh my gosh. So this is a classroom. They maintain the structure of the building and just kind of do some maintenance. I guess we can. So this is them of the whiteboard. Teacher's chair, we're labeling us. So don't fast with teacher chair. They love to take up teacher chair. Teacher chair should have more comfortable than this. Teacher chair not will be the same as for them chair. You see how much picnic in a Jamaican classroom? Think teaching in Jamaica easy? Let me take it. Teaching in Jamaica is not easy. And them a picnic. A lot of these kids get talking. Alright, let's go. I sure don't. This is a home economics block. Yeah, this would have been my
Homecoming, sir.
section, home economics.
Top shop.
Oh, and there's a lovely view back there. Wow.
Garbage can.
Female bathroom around this side.
You still vlogging?
It was a changing room at the time, so we used to just do PE and so.
Oh, there's an outdoor tuck shop. This is cool.
This is freshly done.
Ah, new.
Here in my time.
Alright, this stuff is just getting creepier and creepier. Why does that door have one hole?
Downstairs usually have the art. Oh yes, Miss the art room.
And so, and upstairs also
Oh,
our
science lab.
No, I don't know if it's from the last hurricane that we have that did this
Ravish the
damage.
building.
I'm not sure.
But there is a particular design art room. So they move it over here. So
At the time, the home economic was here.
okay.
So it moved now and put round on the other side now. So the art come to this side
Yeah,
here.
so that
Like,
building look like
totally
it.
done. But we wonder where they put the science lab.
Wait, can we go inside
No,
and
they
other
don't.
classes?
If it's open. Over here used to be our 8th grade block.
8th grade.
Yes.
Okay.
This wasn't here. None at all. So it's
You
the
can
8th
see,
grade
so
block.
this is a new building. He who lives in harmony with himself lives in harmony with the universe. I like how them put the different. Why me just know? Me just talk about the view all around. Wow. So this is what you get at the back of the school. This is the view. Can you imagine you're upstairs, the classroom, and just looking down on this? Them need to fix the fence though. That's not safe.
Like people they take the bush more while and they come up and
Yes.
they vandalize the building.
Look at this view that you get at the back of the school.
Imagine if somebody climbed over the fence and jumped through there. Hold on, what are those two bobbing things over
A hole on this one as well. So the bricks still remain.
Yeah, they
But
do.
it wasn't
there? Look at that.
like this at the time. It was like oh that one look.
Ah,
So
okay.
you can see them do look touching up.
Yes,
so
yes,
space
yes.
it
For
up.
retain the or maintain the building.
The floor. See, the floor look the same.
So this is how it is in Jamaica. No cell phone. Of course, the picnic them not comply, and then the parents come and say, "I have to find a way to get in touch with my picnic them, so I have to bring the phone." So everything we try to go against the
You
rules.
really think they'll comply with that?
Exactly. This modern age, we talk
Like the
about
artwork at the back here need a little work, but it's nice to hang out, have your lunch and stuff. Yeah, I think it has meanings. These things look like stuff that you would find in Lucea in Hanover, because that's the seaside, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then the bikes and buses. Yeah, the upkeep is really good for a building for over 100 years. Oh, Seymour Panton Mentorship Center. Who is Seymour Panton? We need to look into that.
Why can't we explore any of those classrooms?
Oh, okay. That's interesting. There is a artwork over there with some pictures of some past students. Merlin Atti probably in it. So let's go and check it out. It would have been nice if they indicate what year. But that's cool. Like they actually blow up the pics and paste them on the wall. It would be nice if we didn't know who them, but I'm sure there must be some famous people right now. See, this nobody will look like Merlin Atti.
I don't know who Merlin Atti is.
You see what happened now? The history is being lost. The younger generation. Merlin Atti was the first Jamaican, one of the first Jamaican athletes. Yes, thank you. One of the first Jamaican athletes that put Jamaica on the map as a country that has fast runners.
Even put
She
Hanover.
really- Hanover as well, and she wasn't really celebrated and honored the way that she should have, even though she didn't get any gold medal in her time, but she did a lot for the country, and so they realized that they need to start bigging up the athletes more. So since Merlin Atti left Jamaica and started running for I think America, some foreign country, she got married and stuff like that. So they start paying more attention to the athletes, because that was a wake-up call for Jamaica. But this is quite interesting. You catch it? Probably one of those old teachers, principals. This is interesting. Never seen anything like it before.
I can hear woodpeckers.
Me sure say one of them must be her. It must be some historical thing why them put it there. Maybe after I post it, people might recognize and say it's her. Let us know. Yes, let us know in the comment section who you think is Merlin Atti, because she must be there. So these are some of the vehicles, modes of transportation in Lucea, Hanover. Oh, that's a town hall, yes. You see the clock? This clock is in every major city in Jamaica. Spanish Town. If you watch my Spanish Town vlog, you would have seen that clock. And then also the Portland vlog, you would have seen the clock. When we're little, almond. We eat this and then we lick. Zara, do you know this? What is this? What is this? She dramatic, you know?
Because I said she need to go to Edna Manley. I'm sorry.
If you don't know it, you can say you don't know it.
Hush! What is it? Seriously? You
It's
don't know
almond. It's almond. See the almond that you buy from the shop?
it? Sorry.
Let me make sure. Make sure.
So this part here You
eat
can
the
eat. You
flesh.
wash it and eat the flesh. Afterwards, it dry. Come to this, and then we use a stone when we're much
Crack
smaller,
it and mix it
and we
inside.
get it
Oh,
inside.
I've seen this before at my school, but
But you didn't know that it's edible.
I was just yeah, and then you can try to crack it open. But we didn't wash it.
No, you don't need to wash it. Once you open this,
Look, the content that's in it, it's not good.
Oh,
no.
that's
this
rotten.
one. It's
try
a
another
perfect one.
Are the perfect ones like that?
we're not sure
Hopefully.
yet. Let's see.
Hopefully. Something. Wait. All right.
Yes, so that's almond that you buy at the supermarket. It's actually almond. Go ahead and taste it.
It's very sweet.
This skin on this.
Yeah, man. Just eat
Yeah,
it. Just like
it's
that.
the nut.
Show it. More now.
She got look. She got ratty that rain that we feel. No.
Problem.
She got look for more.
We're not going to sit up here tonight, Tiana.
Let's see if we can gather some and you can go knock them open when they reach home.
She's a problem now. But you like it. You like it.
So this is a tree, almond tree. This is how they look when they're
Careful
green.
now. You don't lick it on this.
Careful of your finger. Hush.
So it come out whole.
So the look, the bearing, the green.
Careful, you will slip and lick your finger. Yeah. You didn't move your hand. Your hand have to be firm on the ground.
So apparently nobody really eats them, so they just fall off the tree. From there, they just fall
Those
off.
little snapping that one do snapping.
What are you talking about?
Careful of your finger.
Can you keep on
Let
moving
mommy
it?
crack them for you.
Let me do it.
Be careful of my toe.
Let mommy crack them
Take it
for
out,
you.
out of the
Because
way.
they're a little bit tough.
They're very hard. Come
See there? Take it out.
Okay, do you want to taste?
Yeah,
Okay,
man.
I'm gonna taste it. That is country life.
They're there to be had.
Okay.
Thank you. And them nicer than the one them we sell at shop. Because it tastes a
Nothing
little
beat the
sweetness.
natural. No added.
Exactly. No preservative, no additives.
Better be careful. Your finger, I don't want your mother to hang me. Jesus, please, you have me to deal with a mad case. Honestly. You have to trod
Carefully.
lightly.
That's a perfect. See? It's even roasted.
Yeah.
Nice, delicious. Sorry, these are the old time pipe stands.
We still have those.
Yeah, they have the number.
Still have them.
It
still works. Yeah. So this will learn to wash hand and a COVID make we wash hand. We have to come outside, wash your hand for lunchtime. Don't it?
We still do that.
Things say true COVID make we a wash hand.
What's over there again? Over there.
Not
that's where they
sure what
I
kind
saw
of building.
some
Oh,
design
it says Heritage Center. I'm not sure if it's still in. It seems
Yeah,
like
they look that way.
it's still open. But Heritage, no, look like it's open. See what up is something there again. See there, yeah. Wash your hand. We learned that before COVID. Let me say, go up that building at least. Me can say, midi go up here, so. Yeah. Wow. See old time door them there. The old and the red oak floor. A still board floor. Gee whiz.
Try to maintain most of it.
Most of it is maintained. And look at the view from here. Nice. Water all around. Also, this football field belongs to Russia.
Yeah.
Or Russia's.
Here now is our netball court, so school from all over usually come and will compete and support.
Oh, so this entire property belongs to Russia. Oh yes, because we realize when we go around the school, we never seen a football, no play field, no court, playground, play field. Fort Charlotte. All right, let's see the history behind this now. It was erected for the defense of the Lucea harbor and stands on a peninsula overlooking the channel. It was possibly built around 1750. This rate 2008 was then known as Fort Lucea. It was, however, renamed Fort Charlotte in honor of King George III. Okay, you guys can read it for yourself. Let me just zoom in. Okay, so we are gonna see what it is like now, what it is like today. Beanie Man said that it's the most beautiful place in Jamaica, and many people come here to take photos and stuff. I can see already that it is quite beautiful. Still may have the old buildings there. Rain and fall. The rain and fall.
They look at some of our whole guns that they usually shoot across the harbor. They pick up the ship coming in, pirate ship coming in.
There's actually such thing as pirates.
Yes!
There was. That's not a fairy tale. You thought it was a fairy tale? No.
Port Royal still have, I think probably what you would consider pirates in back in the day. So cute.
Man,
Outside it was, oh, the butterfly when they tell about it.
Oh.
The butterfly.
not supposed to be.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna go over there.
Set good, sorry, Scary. Yeah. Come on.
So this is me, a butterfly.
She's a butterfly.
Spread your wings and prepare to fly. For you will become a butterfly. So fly abundantly. Okay.
Okay, I'll do it. How do I become a butterfly?
Just go right here. Just go there and you automatically become a butterfly.
And I'm the location.
Whoa.
Oh yeah. Oh, here's one over here.
Whoa, that thing is
Hold on.
creepy.
Hold on.
It looks old and rusty. It's very old and rusty.
Yes.
Quite old, of course.
You sure that's funny? Why are you touching it?
The metal is very good because
It's still standing.
The only thing that happened to it is it's cheap. And old and rusty. Hey!
Why would they?
Oh, another one. And another one.
I wonder why they usually put the hole. Why they put the holes?
I'm not sure, and I don't know if it was what they used to bring in, carrying the things them in. We'd have to ask.
Or to be able to spy what's going on through the.
Most likely. I think so.
Probably.
Let's see what it's like up here.
Ask Shaka.
Wow! Spectacular. Wow.
I don't want to fall off here.
Just stay one place.
Look at the view.
360.
Oh, Charlie, this umbrella blows away. I'm not jumping into no seawater port.
Wow.
Oh, crap.
Sorry?
What is interesting is that the green over there is so different. What is that over there? So, like that color green grass is brighter than everywhere else. You see it?
Yeah.
It look like some farming land.
That is round by point there now to go to the molasses tank because that is the molasses
The
tank.
molasses tank.
That's what we're looking at here. That's a next pier over there. So whenever the molasses ship, what they call it,
Yes.
they dock right here.
Awesome. Hey.
Why does that look like a
So you
shipwreck?
look at that
The
Grand Palladium.
aristocrats. Oh, that's Grand Palladium right here.
That is Grand Palladium.
The entire section
Is that
there.
the
So.
shipwreck over there?
No. Over on that side over there, those are like the staff headquarters.
Oh, okay, okay. Then you have some aristocrats and them houses over there. Two parties. What is that thing floating towards us? And then the birds are on it. Oh, it's not moving.
It's just because the water backs in, it seems as if it's
Ah, yeah. The waves. And look like rain are come. You afraid of height?
honestly, we don't know how we take care of this now.
Oh, there's a boat coming in. So there's two more down there. So.
Was real? Oh, you didn't dream it. I thought you said you dreamed it.
So what was that?
I don't know. I don't know what it was. Maybe it was a house for the. This one.
This one was like you have a bedroom here, like one man can nice and
Medical officer, this hospital, Noel Norman Holmes, has been a medical officer of this hospital for 17 years, born the 16th of June 1904 and died 12th of November 1967. Peace and love. Ah, this is him. This is he.